Princess Bunny here again. Want a surprise in your mailbox? No, not me. You guys are silly. You can get a surprise if you buy one of them candle thingies from my mom's website, because she says everybody loves them and the sparkly things inside. And when you buy one, my mom gives all the money she makes to help Broken Up Fur Kids. And this month, the money's going to Lots of Happy Homes. And my Auntie Randy at Lots of Happy Homes helps lots of Broken Up Fur Kids. And some of them can't see their cookies or toys or nothing. That's just wrong. Anyway, go buy something and help Lots of Happy Homes. Mom, can I get out the mailbox now? I feel stupid.